Hi, class. Today we'll be talking about pedigrees and inheritance. We'll be using the famous television show Family Guy, and our example family will be the Griffins. The trait that we will be using will be dark hair versus light hair. If you're not familiar with Family Guy, the characters are as follows from left to right: Chris, Peter, Lois, Meg, and the baby is Stewie. Not pictured are Lois's parents, Carter and Barbara Peter Smith. In the next few slides, you will see that the pedigree for dark hair versus light hair is true for several different inheritances. The pedigree is true that it's autosomal recessive, autosomal dominant, and X-linked recessive. In each pedigree, you will see the given genotypes for each individual character. This pedigree cannot be X-linked dominant because Peter is dominant and gives a Y to Stewie. Then the mother has to give a little D to Stewie, which means that Stewie could not have dark hair. And this pedigree is not Y-linked because in a Y-linked pedigree, all of the males will have to be dominant for the trait. But in my pedigree, there are females that are shaded, which means that there cannot be a Y-linked inheritance with this pedigree. Okay, class, that concludes our lesson for today. Do you have any questions? Last thing, class, let's not forget our references.